Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about chemical change and physical change. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to analyze what is chemical change and physical change. About chemical change, they should be about they need to combine or separate the elements. For example, hydrogen and oxygen, they can create about water. This is about chemical change. About physical change, for example, they can create about the solid, liquid, air, separate the layers. This is about example for physical change. Now we need to analyze this one first. So as you can see that we have two elements, and from here to here we can see that the red element combine the blue element. So that is about this one, because we have combined the elements in here. So this one should be about chemical change. Now this one combined one blue element to create this one. So this is about chemical change. So we consider this one in here. If we look carefully, this one that is about the layers, so that should be about this one in here, and that is about physical change. The next one, this element, they separate them into the single. So in this situation, that is about separate the elements. So that should be about chemical change. In this one, we can see that this is about the solid. The solid, that is about this one. So that should be about physical change. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.